I might need to fly to China. That'll be a little trip for you. So I'm wanting to buy some more machines soon, but I don't want to buy them blind like I did with my plasma, which is fine. I've learned how to use it, but it was a long learning curve. I've now got to the point that I take Theo everywhere, and see if I go somewhere and don't take him, he has an absolute meltdown. I was working in London the other month and he was on holiday with his mum. He asked me like, Dad, where are you going? I said, I'm away at the airport, I've got a job in London tomorrow. Just had that meltdown. Come and get me, come and get me. I says, Theo, you're in, I think he was in Tunisia. Come and get me, I want to come and work, take me. Madman. I just want him to like understand the value of money, because I think it's very easy for kids that get given things to not understand how money's made. Like, I did come from money. I hate Bentleys, do you? Wandering past, they're like old man's cars. Bentley Continental GT's nice. Although I like the Bentley Jeep, or the Rolls Royce Cullinan, that's a weapon of a car. I need something new, but I don't know what I want. I seen a G-Wagon last night. It would have to be a Brabus, would it? You wouldn't know what a normal G-Wagon has to be a Brabus. 6.3 litre V8. 20 or 30,000 deposit and then 2.5 a month. It's not even about like not affording it. It's more like justifying it. If I'm spending that kind of money anyway, I wouldn't buy a G-Wagon, I'd buy a Urus. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, this morning we are going to have a site meeting with the owners of Vovem, so Stuart Clarkson. Iron out a few details because we're at T-minus 10 days from opening. But we can put a little timer in the bottom right hand corner, right there. We'll see if we hit that deadline. You can't see it, but these are not the same. Okay, the distances slightly different because it's all done by hand. So the easiest way to do it is mark it on site and we'll do them seat at a time. I think it might take a week to do them. I'll try and get it done quicker. If I can get him here morning or night, Mark says he'll give me a set of keys. There's no way we're going to get these done this week because we've still got 2 booths to do. Will get done, let's say tomorrow and Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, hopefully to do that in. And then I get other boys doing them to start these. But realistically...
If we're open, can they do it overnight?
Well, aye, but I'll hate to pay them shift rates. But realistically, fan you opening.
A week, eh?
So if we get this 2 booths done by Friday, then he would still have Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
And all we need to do is set up a sewing machine and a table somewhere. I might see if I'm pulling somebody else to give us a hand, just to try and do it on a weekend if we can.
You know, I would just hold back on this.
Why?
Because maybe once you see all the tables in and everything, you know.
We said that. We said this. But by the end of this week, I got most of it done anyway. So we'll just keep pushing what we're doing. Just stitching that corner booth there took an extra 3 days for him to do the bases like that.
Yeah, you're right.
Come to my workshop, you got a pair of gloves? I've sent you videos, did I? I was phoning you, it's a nightmare. These ends will be faster because they're straight. They're not straight.
How long would it take them to do one?
I think we could do 4 in a day, maybe. Ours 9.
Right, okay.
So we could probably do them over a weekend. That's what I'm saying, if we keep pushing and we get a corner booths in. But mind, we've still got to do the finishings on here.
Spraying these, is that easy done?
Well, you picked a colour?
So they were talking about doing them in the dark and I was like, that would pain me because they're like such a big feature and I feel like if you painted them dark, they're just going to blend in with everything else. So I'm saying we pick a colour either out the fabric or do a grey colour.
We can paint them
any colour.
couple hours and they would be back.
Yeah.
That's easy enough. They're already prepped. What about the inside? Are you leaving the inside gold?
Inside.
That's easy. You're talking hours for that. I could take him away now and head him back by supper time. That's not a big deal.
Does that sit centre of the table?
No.
Nope.
Offset.
That's it.
What?
Because we couldn't do the arch to get to the centre of the table because of the height.
How's that get look? That's get look a bit weird, isn't it?
They've never been centre above the table.
Can we make them centre above the table?
You need to bend a new pipe.
Yeah.
Twist it
No,
round.
no, it's even taking it down won't be in the middle there.
It's in line with the edge of the table
Yes,
or
in
not.
line with the edge of the table.
So see that distance there? That needs to be greater. So that curve needs to be more.
So would you come down?
Huh?
So it starts from here.
Doesn't matter where you curve it from. You just do the diameter's bigger. Okay, I mean, so the curve's longer.
Can you do
I just think it would look a lot better if it was centred over the
Definitely,
table.
we're spoken to this.
Either that or we wait and see like it is when the table's in place and the lights on, but I would have thought it should be centred over the table.
Do you swivel them round?
You can't. You can swivel it, and then it's in line with the edge of the table. But the only way to get that slap bang in the middle of the table is to bend that pipe. Marker, you got to strip that other 2 shades out. Save time for me. And then I'll just take my way and paint them. Why not just go for a darker colour then, if you're not wanting a light? Like that blue, or someone at the wallpaper, or... Have you got a paint chart? And he's got a paint chart.
But not with raw numbers, eh?
Aye, but if you give me the paint chart and we match it, I'll take it up to Dingbro and get them to colour match it. She pretended she didn't see me, but she did.
What did you do?
If I can get that booth over there installed today, because that's nearly finished, is it? When I was there this morning, they were finishing that off. And then that means we're on to that one there and that een. That een's built. This one needs to be built in situ, so I might build that today. What do you think, Stuart?
Yep, I agree.
He's easier to deal with than Barry, much easier. I'm going to get them to build this because it's such an odd shape, it has to be built in situ. Then we'll tear it down, take it away, upholster that een and that een, and hopefully have them in by the end of the week. I try to say to Baz, it's hard to envision how it's going to look when you're not looking at other parts together. But we'll get there, we'll get you open. Right, I need to go.